In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Claude AI notifications. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the interface and which setting to change so you can work distraction-free. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type the name of the service and hit Enter. From the search results, choose the official site. If you're ever unsure, look for a trustworthy domain and the secure padlock icon in your address bar before you proceed. Once the site loads, you'll land on the sign-in page. Click. Continue with Google if you use a Google account, or choose the email option if that's how you normally log in. Follow any prompts you see on screen. Depending on your setup, you might be asked to confirm your identity or enter a code. That's normal and helps keep your account secure. When you're signed in, you should see the main app interface with a sidebar on the left. Now look to the bottom left corner of that sidebar for your user profile. It usually appears as your photo or a circle with your initials. Click that profile area to open your account menu. If your window is very narrow and you don't see the sidebar, maximize the browser or zoom out slightly so the sidebar becomes visible. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This takes you to the place where all your personal preferences live. Inside Settings, make sure you're on the General tab. Tabs help organize options, and General is where the everyday preferences are grouped. Scroll down through the General settings until you reach the Notifications section. This section controls what kinds of alerts the service sends you while you're using it or in the background. Take a moment to read the labels so you know exactly what you're changing. Find the option labeled Response Completions. This controls notifications that pop up when the assistant finishes generating a response. To silence those alerts, toggle the switch to Off. You'll usually see the switch move to the left or change color to indicate it's disabled. There's no Save button here. Your change applies immediately. That's it. You've successfully turned off Claude AI notifications for response completions. This won't affect your ability to use the tool. It simply stops those completion alerts so you can focus. If you ever want notifications back, return to the same setting and flip the switch to On. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you create a quieter, more productive workspace.